Hey, what is up YouTube? Welcome to the Custom Adventurous. So today I'll be comparing the jet black i500-Tws to the Blackpods. Okay, so I'll be using the CA scoring method 2.0 to compare these two. Alright, getting right into the packaging of the two. They both come in small little boxes. One is white and the other is black. There are images of the headphones on the front. The color of the headphones may be off, but I will assure you they have the right color. For the sides on the i500-Tws, there's nothing. For the Blackpods, there's a Pods Bay logo on the side and it says podsbay.com on the top of the box. On the back, the i500-Tws have an image of the headphones. And for the Blackpods, there's nothing. Now for the design of the case. They both have the exact same shape. One is in a jet black color and the other is in a matte black. They are both very similar. They both have a LED in the front, a button on the back, and a lid that takes up 1/4 of the case, and a charger on the bottom. Although I will say the lid on the Blackpods is slightly stronger and more satisfying. Overall, they are very similar. Personally, I would pick the jet black. It's just jet black seems like a cooler color for AirPods for me. Just my personal opinion, but MKBHD probably wouldn't appreciate that. Now for the design of the headphones. They both have the exact same design. That design being the shape of the original Apple AirPods. And I have to say, I really wish Apple made a color variant like this. So sick. Where the two differ is in the jet black paint and the other is covered in a matte black paint. They both do have little silver sensor dots and they look very good. In my opinion, I prefer the jet black color because on the matte texture you can see the oils that come from your ear a lot more than the one on the jet black color. Overall, they are very similar. Now for the price of the headphones. They both cost $55 US, and that's really good value for what you get. Now for the audio quality of the headphones. After listening to the two side by side, in my opinion, they sound very similar. Both sound really clear. Both have very punchy bass. I'll say that the jet black sounds slightly more clear, just like the vocals sound a bit better. Where on the Blackpods, the vocals get more muffled due to the bass. Now for the battery life of the headphones. The i500-Tws you can get around 4 to 5 hours of audio playback, with an extra 24 hours with the case. For the Blackpods, they can get 3 to 4 hours of audio playback, with an extra 24 hours with the case. Now for the connectivity. Alright, so now I'll be testing the connectivity between the two headphones to see which ones pair the fastest, and yeah. Alright, we're going to start with the i500-Tws Jet Black Edition. Looking very fine. So they do have the W1 chip. Press the button on the back. And just like that, they are paired. Now for the Blackpods. They also have the W1 chip. Just like that, we are paired. Alright, now we're going to see how long it takes for the two headphones to disconnect and reconnect. Alright, starting with the Blackpods. Alright, gotta wait for them to disconnect. Alright, now for the i500-Tws. Alright, so now I'll be seeing how far these two wireless earbuds can get from the phone before they start disconnecting or anything like that. Let's do it! Now for the mic quality.
Alright, so in my ears right now are the Blackpods from podsvay.com, and this is the mic quality you can expect from them. Testing, 1, 2, 3. I hope they sound pretty good. I will also be including the crowd effect, and yeah. So testing, 1, 2, 3. This is the mic quality you can expect from them, just talking with them in your ears or anything like that. Now I'm going to be doing it with the crowd effect in the background. Alright. Okay, so now there's a crowd effect in the background, and I'm just talking into them as if I was in my ears, and I'll be talking on the phone call, or anything like that. Testing, 1, 2, 3. I hope they don't sound horrible, and they can actually hear my voice. And yeah, these are the Blackpods from podsvay.com. Alright, so in my ears right now are the i500-Tws, the Jet Black Edition, and this is the mic quality you can expect from them. There's in my ears as if I'd be like on a phone call or anything like that. Nothing too special. Testing, 1, 2, 3. I hope they don't sound horrible and that you can actually hear my voice. Let's see. I'm also going to be including the crowd effect. And yeah, let's get that started. 3, 2, 1. Alright, so now we have the crowd effect in the background. And this is the mic quality you can expect from them. I'm talking at a decent volume, not like fully yelling, but not like fully talking normal. And yeah, so testing, 1, 2, 3. I hope you can still hear my voice through all this racket. And yeah, we'll see what happens.
Now for the features and cool things about the headphones. They both do have wireless charging. Both have LED indicators on the front of their cases. Both have the H1 chip. Both have ear sensors, so when you pull the headphones out of your ear, they will automatically pause. They do both have touch functions, and for the Blackpods, they are double tap on either side to play or pause the music, triple tap on the right side to go to the next song, triple tap on the left side to go to the previous song, tap and hold on either side to summon your smart assistant. Now for the i500-Tws Jet Black. They are double tap on either side to play/pause the music, triple tap on the right side to go to the next song, triple tap on the left side to go to the previous song, and tap and hold to summon your smart assistant. Now for my personal experience about the two. Okay, so after comparing the two side by side for the past like 3 days, this is conclusion. Ultimately, they're both very. Personally, in my opinion, I would definitely prefer the Jet Black ones. I don't know, just the color just seems way cooler than the matte black. I mean, matte black is still really cool, but I don't know, Jet Black. It's just like the original Airpods, how they're like shiny, but it's black. I don't know, it's just, I feel like it's a really good combo. And yeah, so you can check these out in the link in the description. The audio quality is good, the connectivity is good. They got lots of features. Although they do not have the name change like the i500-Tws with name change, but they still work really well and I like them a lot. Some problems I had when I was using these two is sometimes when you put them in your ears they wouldn't connect right away, and you'd have a little glitch where you'd have to go in and click the button to make them pair, but that didn't happen very often, and I don't think it would happen to you too much. Also, a quick update, I have a bunch of new videos coming soon, so be sure to subscribe, and I also do still have giveaways going on. I think I have the KP Pros, and I also do have a second pair of these matte black headphones, and I will be giving those away very soon. So be sure to enter. I'll be giving them away all before Christmas, so you guys got to enter before then. And yeah. Alright, for those of you that are actually lasted this long into the video, I'll be giving a sneak peek for my newest videos coming out. I'll be reviewing 5 different headphones under the price of $50, and 3 of them have arrived so far. First one is the Soundpeats wireless. The next one is the RX True wireless earbuds. Heard good things about these. And the GT1 wireless earbuds. I'll be doing a video comparing all 5 of these wireless earbuds that I'll be getting, and yeah. I'm using a gimbal right now. It has face tracking on. That's pretty crazy. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you'd like to check out any of these clones, the links will be in the description. Make sure to like, subscribe, and peace.